Hi there, welcome to the Qlik Sense tutorial video, and in this video we will going to look at the rate financial function. So this function returns the interest rate per period on annuity. The result has a default number format of fixed 2 decimal and percentage, because generally it is represented in the percentage format with 2 decimal value, but you have the option that you can format based on what you need. So in a simple way, it returns the interest rate per period, and it has some parameters which is like N per. N per is nothing but the total number of payment periods in an annuity. The PMT, basically the payment made each period. PV is nothing but the present value. FV is future value, and type indicates if the payments are due at the end of the period or beginning of the period. If it is end of the period, then you will specify 0, and if it is beginning of the period, then you will indicate 1. Alright, and by default it's 0 if you don't specify anything. So just to demonstrate that, what do I have is basically a simple question. So that question is this. If I just paste it and increase it a little bit. So what is the interest rate of 5-year $10,000 annuity loan with monthly payments of $300? So we want to calculate the interest rate for these parameters. So what I'll take is the KPI and add the measure, go into the expression editor, and I will specify the rate. And in the rate, the 5-year loan, so 60 months, then the payment is $300 every month, so $300 in negative. It's basically how we specify the value, and then the 10,000 is basically the loan, annuity loan. Alright, so let's click on apply, and what you get is basically the 2% as the output. Ideally I was expecting it into the percentage format because that's how it gives the output, but little strange that it has not given it as 0.02. So to properly format that, we can come over here and number formatting, we can say, we don't have percentage, right? So we can say custom, and over here you have I'll just check if ideally it should have the number. Simple, yeah, there you go. That's why I was just wondering. So 2.18 if you want 2 decimal, or if you want just 1 single decimal, then 2%. So with the help of all of these features, you can calculate the rate of return based on the similar questions that you have. Now it can be based on your database, or for the different type of financial instruments or different types of loans for which you are maintaining it, and you can create your own chart, your own table, or KPIs based on your needs. So that's mainly I wanted to discuss in this video. Now I'll meet you in the new video with the new topic.